Do anti-inflammatory foods affect gene expression for survivors? Imagine your body as a busy city where genes are like workers doing different jobs. What you eat can influence how these workers do their jobs, especially after surviving cancer. Some foods can turn certain genes on or off, affecting inflammation and immune responses. This is because nutrients from anti-inflammatory foods interact directly with your DNA's activity, changing how genes behave at a molecular level. For example, foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, like salmon and walnuts, can activate specific proteins called transcription factors. These factors can turn off genes that promote inflammation. On the other hand, processed foods high in saturated fats and sugars tend to activate different transcription factors that increase inflammation. This process is called gene expression, and it is how your body decides which proteins to make based on signals from your diet. In cancer survivors, controlling inflammation is very important. Chronic inflammation can sometimes lead to cancer coming back or slow down recovery. Eating anti-inflammatory foods can help reduce this ongoing inflammation. When these foods influence gene activity, they can promote genes that support immune health and suppress those that encourage inflammation. This can lead to better health and possibly lower the chance of cancer returning. Research shows that survivors who follow diets high in vegetables, fruits, whole grains, nuts, and fatty fish tend to have better health outcomes. These foods contain bioactive compounds like polyphenols and omega-3s that can modify gene activity. For example, polyphenols found in berries and leafy greens can activate genes that help reduce inflammation and support cell repair. Limiting red meats, processed foods, and refined sugars is also key. These foods can promote inflammation by activating genes that drive inflammatory responses. By choosing foods that are naturally anti-inflammatory, survivors can help regulate their gene activity in a way that supports healing and long-term health. So yes, anti-inflammatory foods do affect gene expression in survivors. They help turn on genes that fight inflammation and turn off those that promote it. This molecular influence can support better immune function, reduce the risk of cancer coming back, and improve overall health after surviving cancer. It shows how powerful nutrition can be in managing health at a very detailed genetic level.